Daniel here with Selling Texas Today and Keller Williams. I'm going to talk today a little bit about knowing the rules and the ease of how to buy a house. Sometimes after going through the pre-qualification process and beginning to enter your mortgage information or your information over your mortgage company, sometimes you're denied and turned down, and there's a couple different reasons for that. Well, there's actually quite a bit of reasons for that, but I'm going to give you a couple tips today on what not to do, what to do, and then if you have any questions, just give me a shout. I can help you with anything else. One thing is I know this has kind of come up a lot. A lot of people don't trust banks, and so what they do is they kind of hoard their money at home, or they have a garage sale and they have what's called mattress money. And what they'll do is they'll go to the banks and actually deposit that during the process of when they're buying their house, thinking they can use it. Well, unfortunately, if the money hasn't seasoned for over 90 days, then it looks like what you're doing is just inflating your bank account, so it shows that you have the money, and that can be borrowed funds, and all sorts of questions start coming up. So make sure that your money is in there for at least 90 days. Also disclose as much pertinent information as you can during the application process to avoid any questions later on, because loan officers and processors are really, they're investigators and they're diving into your credit and everything. So make sure that you disclose as much information up front as you can with them to make the transaction go as smoothly as possible. And also avoid unemployment hopscotches. So, if you're going from one job to another in the same industry, most of the time that's not a big issue. But if you're rapidly changing jobs over the period of a couple of years, they're going to start to raise red flags and ask questions of what's going on with that. So bottom line is just going through the whole preparing and the knowledge and building all that ahead of time is key in this market. So if I can I'd be happy to help you. I can get you in contact with one of my great mortgage brokers. They'd be happy to help you and answer any questions you have. So just give me a call. My name's Nathan with Keller Williams. I'm the techie tie guy with Selling Texas Today.